Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can take screenshots in a Midori web browser. So let us dive into this. So there are two options, guys. Option number one would be to use simply the keyboard shortcut on your keyboard. For example, it may depend on your operating system, but sometimes it is the key F12, sometimes the print key on your keyboard. Simply use that to take a screenshot of your entire display. That's option number one. If you'd like to take a screenshot inside the Midori web browser and of specific parts, you can use the Take Screenshot feature here inside the Midori web browser. So to do that, guys, navigate to Midori, right-click anywhere you like, and select Take Screenshot. And after that, simply highlight the area you would like to take a screenshot for with that cursor. You may also switch between Save Full Page or Save Visible. Let me go, for example, with, let's say, this one here. Release your left mouse and click into Download to download this image as a JPEG or PNG on your file format on your device. For example, for the screenshot. You may also cancel that or copy it or resize it. There you go. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.